This video is going to look closely at the language Dove uses to present the relationship in this poem. It starts by using everyday images of love, linking her partner to a lamp and a pen and the wind-still rain, emphasising that their relationship is ordinary, contrasting what we would expect to find in a traditional love poem. She then introduces the traditional cliché of a romantic hero using a metaphor to compare her partner to a knight in shining armour. There you'll be, and furrowed brow and chainmail glinting to set me free. This is a stereotypical image of heroic masculinity, but the exaggerated furrowed brow and chainmail glinting suggests she is being playful and affectionate, and not too serious when talking about her relationship. The imagery of a knight rescuing his maiden is echoed further by the use of the simile, sure as shooting arrows to the heart, which reminds us of Cupid's arrow, another reference to traditional romantic love. But then there is a change of subject in the second stanza, as the narrator returns to the present and the post-postmodern age, emphasising the fast-paced nature of today's world. But the storm has paused life for a short while. Today, a hurricane is nudging up the coast, oddly male, Big Bad Floyd. Dove personifies the hurricane through the verb nudging, again jokingly making the storm seem quite gentle. And the alliteration of the monosyllabic, almost childish term, Big Bad Floyd, almost belittles the hurricane, reducing the severity of it. The punctuation here, with the use of caesura, starts to disrupt the fluid rhythm of the poem, as the storm has disrupted her everyday life. The narrator then starts to remember the teenage crushes of her past, before Fred, describing these boys as thin as licorice and as chewy, sweet with dark and hollow centre. This light-hearted simile compares the worthless boys unfavourably with her partner, and the adjectives chewy, thin, sweet and hollow show how weak they are compared to him. The third stanza then returns to the present as they are bunkered down for the storm, giving a sense of safety and security. We learn of their closeness of their relationship with their twin desks and how they are content but fall short of the divine. The adjective content emphasises that their love is ordinary but very real, and this is contrasted with the divine, which is an image often used when idealising love. But the narrator notes that it's embarrassing, this happiness. She is aware of her happiness, that the love they have, though ordinary, is also a gift. When has the ordinary ever been news? This rhetorical question focuses the reader on the narrator's ordinary life and her defence of its cosiness against the modern desire for drama. The poem ends ambiguously with the metaphor of stolen time. I fill this stolen time with you. The narrator is perhaps suggesting that Floyd has taken time away from her and she is just filling it with thoughts of her husband. However, the phrase could also be seen as describing the precious moments. She has managed to steal some time and keep it to herself, with the poem ending emphatically on her partner, the you in the poem.